Welcome back, my friend. And now you know about conscious mind, subconscious mind, you know about myths about hypnosis, and now you are ready to learn self-hypnosis. Am I right? So do this. Make sure that nobody disturb you for next 15-20 minutes. Switch off your mobiles. Don't keep it in a vibration mode also. Switch it off or put it in a silent mode. And switch off your TV or anything there. Find a chair to sit. Do it on a chair, not lying down on your bed, my friend. Now I'll show you what we are going to do. First on me a little bit, and then I'll guide you into it. So first watch me. In a moment I'll ask you to close your eyes. You have to close your eyes like this. And then put your awareness on both of your eyelids and pretend they are so heavy, so relaxed to the point that the muscles won't work at all and your eyelids are stuck in a downward position. Now want it happen, make it happen, let it happen. I can't do it for you, you have to do it. And once you're doing well, I want you to try to open your eyes, but make sure it won't work at all. But really know that they are so relaxed it won't work at all. Try to open your eyes and work like this. I ask you stop trying, send the same quality of relaxation from your eyelids to the top of your head and then down to the tips of your toes. You'll feel a wonderful wave of relaxation going down to the point all the muscles and nerves in your body completely loose, limp and relax. Completely loose, limp and relax. That's right. So my friend, from here I'll take you still deeper, but this is the beginning. I want you to follow me and do the exercise as I ask you to do it. So, are you ready? I'm sure you're ready. So close your eyes, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, relax your body now. Now I want you to put your awareness on both of your eyelids and pretend that all the muscles and nerves surrounding your both the eyelids are so heavy, so relaxed to the point that the muscles won't work at all and your eyelids are stuck in a downward position. Now want it happen, make it happen, let it happen. Pretend, know in your heart, I can't do it for you, you have to do it. Once you're doing really well, your muscles actually relaxes. And when the muscles actually relaxes, I want you to try to open your eyes, but make sure it won't work at all. Make sure it won't work at all. Try to open your eyes, but make sure it won't work at all. That's why, my friend, stop trying. Send the same quality of relaxation from your eyelids to the top of your head, then down to the tips of your toes. Feel a wonderful wave of it going down to the point all the muscles and nerves in your whole body completely loose, limp and relax. Completely loose, limp and relax. That's right, my friend. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Feel a blanket of relaxation covering your whole body. That's right, my friend. You're doing a wonderful job. Now I want you to imagine a powerful white light coming down from above, entering the top of your head. And as it enters, it relaxes, so there's all the muscles on the top of your head. Feel this wonderful healing energy going down into you, spreading into your forehead, into your temples, into your ears, into your face, into your eyes, into your jaw, into your throat, relaxing and soothing all the muscles. Feel this wonderful healing energy going down into your neck, into your throat, into both of your shoulders, taking away all the discomfort, relaxing and soothing all the muscles. Feel this wonderful healing white light energy going now into your back, into your chest, into your stomach, and relaxing and soothing all the muscles. Feel this wonderful healing energy going down into your lower back, into your hips, into your thighs, into your knees, into your calf muscles, into your ankles, and flowing down from your toes into the floor, relaxing and soothing all the muscles, my friend. Feel very, very deeply and comfortably relaxed. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. And now, my friend, I'm going to count from 10 to 0. With each and every descending number, double your relaxation. Want it happen, make it happen, let it happen. 10, going deeper and deeper, getting more and more relaxed. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very, very deeply and comfortably relaxed, my friend. Now, my friend, your subconscious mind is open for programming. So, what I want to do here right now is I want to give you a trigger. Anytime you want to get into the state of mind, all you have to do is find a nice place to sit so nobody disturb you. Then take a deep breath. And as you exhale, close your eyes down and say in your mind, relax now. And instantly will drop down into this wonderful, deep, calm state of relaxation. You will go 10 times deeper and faster than now. You go 10 times deeper and faster than now. The trigger is, find a nice place to sit so no one will disturb you. Then take a deep breath, and as you exhale, close your eyes down and say in your mind, relax now. And instantly you will drop down to deep state of relaxation. If you want to deepen it more, you can count from 10 to 0 to deepen it. It may not require, but anytime you want to relax more deeply, you can use it. So my friend, again I repeat, the trigger is take a deep breath, and as you exhale, close your eyes down and saying in your mind, relax now. And instantly you will drop down to this wonderful, calm, deep state of relaxation. That's right, my friend. To come out of this state of mind, all you have to do is mentally count from 1 to 3 and open your eyes, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, wide awake and alert. I'll count it for you right now. 1. Feel energy coming back into your body from all directions. 2. Become aware of your surroundings. And 3. Open your eyes and notice how good you feel. That's right, my friend. You enjoyed the relaxation? I know you enjoy it. I also enjoy doing it. I want you to practice it right now with me. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, close your eyes down and say in your mind, relax now, relax now, relax now. That's right, my friend. As you relax now, you say, bring back the wonderful relaxation you had in the last exercise. You'll become 10 times powerful than before. Now you can repeat with me mentally a powerful self-hypnotic auto-suggestion that will go directly into your subconscious mind. The suggestion is, day by day, in every respect, I am getting better, healthier and happier. Day by day, in every respect, I am getting better, healthier and happier. That's right, my friend. Another suggestion is, self-hypnosis brings me the positive results I desire. Self-hypnosis brings me the positive results I desire. Self-hypnosis brings me the positive results I desire. That's right, my friend. That's how you can practice self-hypnosis. So now count from 1 to 3 and open your eyes. Come back here now, feeling fantastic. 1, 2 and 3. Open your eyes and notice how good you feel. That's right, my friend. Feeling fantastic? I want to get up from your chair and move around. Now, my friend, I want you to watch this video 5 more times right now. And each time you do this, you go deeper and faster than before. So then you can reprogram your mind consciously with the positive affirmations like we did just now. So my friend, practice this now and come back to the next lesson. Thank you very much.